Here in this video, I'm going to detail how to check if iPhone screen is original. So this works on all iPhone. So whether you're using iPhone 6, iPhone 8, or even iPhone 12, this also works on iPhone 15 and maybe upcoming iPhones. So if you are buying a used iPhone and you want to check whether the iPhone screen has been changed, then this video is going to walk you through the quickest way that you can use to check if iPhone screen is original or the iPhone screen has been changed or fake. So if you found this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to check if your iPhone screen is original, you just need to do is swipe down the control center or swipe up the control center if you're using a Touch ID iPhone like this. Then locate the display and brightness icon, then press and hold it. Once you press and hold it, you should see three options here: dark mode, night shift, and then true tone. If the true tone is missing on your iPhone when you press display and brightness, then it implies that the iPhone screen has been changed and it is probably fake, so it is not original. So that is one of the ways you can use to check whether your iPhone screen is original. Alternatively, you can also go to your iPhone settings and on the settings page, scroll down, click on display and brightness. Once you selected that, here you have what is called true tone under brightness. If true tone is missing, definitely this screen has been changed. And also, if you compare this brightness of an iPhone whose screen has not been changed to the one whose screen has been changed, the brightness will be different. So if you set it to dark mode or light mode and you set the iPhone whose screen has been changed to light mode or dark mode, then you're going to spot the difference. So this is exactly how you can check if your iPhone screen is original. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.